Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic Red Seal License Exam Reviewer. Today's topic is on mixed air temperature. So we have the problem here, and air conditioning system draws 10% outdoor air at the dry bulb temperature of 42 Celsius or 108 Fahrenheit. If the return air is at 28 Celsius, 82 Fahrenheit, determine the dry bulb temperature of the mixed air. So we analyze our given. We have 10% outdoor air. We're given the outdoor air temperature 42 Celsius, 108 Fahrenheit. We also are given the return air temperature 28 Celsius, 82 Fahrenheit. Now the unknown is to solve for the dry bulb temperature of the mixed air. So what's going on here is we have 10% fresh air coming from the outside at a different temperature, and then we also have 90% recirculated air that's coming from the return air from the system at a certain temperature also. So both this fresh air and return air, they go to a mixing box, and they mix together, and then they will be now at a different temperature in the mixing box once they leave the mixing box and go to the supply to the system. So that's what's going on here. Solution. So before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like and share. That's my channel. Please subscribe, like and share to your friends if you find this video helpful to you. So now we go to the solution. The formula for this is a percent outdoor air times its corresponding temperature plus percent indoor air, this is the recirculated air, percent indoor return air times its temperature is equal to 100% times air temperature of the mixture. So it looks like a long complicated equation, but it's really simple once we substitute the values, and I will show you that later on. So for simplicity, we just use Celsius temperatures, and then now we substitute the given values. So we have 10%, that's the fresh air, times the fresh air or outdoor temperature of 42 Celsius, plus 90%, that is the recirculated return air, times its corresponding temperature, is equal to 100% times the mixture air temperature. So we have to do a little bit of rearranging the formula, and so we get mixed air temperature is equal to 4.2 plus 25.2 is equal to 29.4 Celsius. And if we convert 29.4 Celsius, the corresponding Fahrenheit temperature is 85 Fahrenheit. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. It takes seconds, but it shows the support for me and my channel. All right, have a good one and take care.